Top 50 History GK questions in English. Who founded Mahabalipuram, city of Tamil Nadu? Answer. Narasimhavarman I. What was the real name of Mahatma Buddha, the founder of Buddhism? Answer. Siddhartha. Which metal was first used by the Indus people? Answer. Copper. Who was known as the Indian Napoleon? Answer. Samudragupta. Who was the first Governor General of India? ANSWR, Lord William Bentinck. Who was the first Governor General of independent India? Answer. Lord Louis Mountbatten. Who was the first Mughal Emperor of India? Answer. Babur. Who was the first Gupta king to issue silver coins? Answer. Chandragupta II. Who introduced the permanent settlement in Bengal? Answer. Lord Cornwallis. Who was the last Viceroy and first Governor General of independent India? Answer. Lord Mountbatten. Who was the first Viceroy of India? Answer. Lord Canning. Who was the Viceroy of India during Champaran Satyagraha? Answer. Lord Chelmsford. Who was the last ruler of Delhi Sultanate? Answer. Ibrahim Lodi. Who was the last Mughal Emperor of India? Answer. Bahadur Shah II. Who was the author of Humayun Nama? Answer. Gulbadan Begum. Which Gupta ruler is known as the Napoleon of India? Answer. Samudragupta. Which Mughal emperor abolished jizya tax for Hindu pilgrims? Answer. Akbar. Jizya was abolished by the Mughal Emperor Akbar in the 16th century, but later it was reimposed by Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb in the 17th century. Which Englishman honored the Mughal Emperor Jahangir with the title of Khan? Answer. William Hawkins. The British set up their first factory in Surat with the permission of which Mughal Emperor? Answer. Jahangir. In which year did the Battle of Haldighati take place between Maharana Pratap and Akbar? Answer. 1576 on the 18th of June. Which Mughal emperor gave land for the construction of the Golden Temple at Amritsar? Answer. Akbar. The Battle of Khanwa in 1527 was fought between Answer. Babur and Rana Sanga. The capital of the Mughal Empire was shifted from Agra to Delhi in 1638 by which Mughal emperor? Answer. Shah Jahan. Who was considered the greatest ruler of the Mughal Empire? Answer. Mughal Emperor Akbar. Who was the last emperor of the Mughal Empire? Answer. Bahadur Shah Jafar. Bahadur Shah Jafar reigned from 1837 to 1857. Bahadur Shah II is also known as Bahadur Shah Zafar. Bahadur Shah, deposed by the British and was exiled to Burma after the Indian Rebellion of 1857. He was died in British prison in Burma in the year 1862. Which war led to the establishment of Mughal Empire in India? Answer. First Battle of Panipat. Who was the founder of Mughal Empire? Answer. Babur. In which year, Quit India movement was started? Answer. 1942. The first Battle of Panipat fought by Babur and Answer. Ibrahim Lodi. Which national revolutionary gave the slogan, Inqilab Zindabad? Answer. Maulana Hasrat Mohani. Who built the first Grand Trunk Road in India? Answer. Sher Shah Suri. When did the capital of India shift from Kolkata to New Delhi? Answer. 1911. Who was the first president of Indian National Congress? Answer. Vimash Chandra Banerjee. Which Gupta ruler got the iron pillar constructed near Qutub Minar? Answer. Chandragupta. Who was the first Muslim invader to attack India? Answer. Muhammad bin Qasim. Tripitaka Granth is related to which religion? Answer. Buddha. Which British governor banned the practice of Sati Pratha in India? Answer. Lord William Bentinck. Which book is also known as the Adi Granth of Indian music? Answer. Samveda. Which is the oldest city of Indus civilization discovered in India? Answer. Harappa. Which river is mostly described in the early Vedic literature? Answer. Indus River. Which ruler of the Gupta period has been given the title of Kaviraj? Answer. Samudragupta. Who was the first foreign traveler to visit India? Answer. Megasthenes. Which dynasty's reign is known as the Golden Age of India? Answer. Gupta dynasty. Which ruler got the Supper Mahavihara built? Answer. Dharmpal. The rulers of which dynasty got the Ellora caves constructed? Answer. Rashtrakuta dynasty. Who founded the ancient Vijayanagara Empire in South India? Answer. Hariharan Bukka. Who was the greatest ruler of Vijayanagara Empire? Answer. Krishnadev Rai. Who signed the Treaty of Bassein with the British East India Company in 1802? Answer. Baji Rao. Which is the largest Indian site of Indus Valley civilization? Answer. D'Oliveira. Who was the Governor General of India during the revolt of 1857 AD? Answer. Lord Canning. Which Mughal emperor was called Zinda Peer? Answer. Aurangzeb. When did Mahatma Gandhi start the Dandi March? Answer. The 12th of March 1930.